With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, the given problem is the cooling in refrigerator is due to, these are the four given options A, B, C and D. First option, reaction of the refrigerator gas. Second is expansion of ice. Third is the expansion of the gas in the refrigerator, and fourth is the work of the compressor. So here we writing a reason for cooling in refrigerator. So the reason is the cooling in refrigerator is due to the expansion of gas, the expansion of the gas in the refrigerator. So this is the reason. So the reason is there only. This is the reason. Cooling in refrigerator is due to the expansion of the gas. This is the main reason. So here we writing this definition in one box over here. This is the final answer. So which of the following option is correct? The expansion of the gas in the refrigerator. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.